Hello everyone, welcome. Today our topic of learning is plasma cell. The term plasma cell first used by the Waldeyer in 1875. The characteristic of the cartwheel type nuclear morphology was given the name red gun by Pappenheim. In 1937, clinical observation of Bing and Plum noted close association of hyperglobulinemia and presence of plasma cells. Cones provided the evidence that the antibody production is done by plasma cell. Plasma cells are actively producing and secreting immunoglobulins. Their size is around 14 to 20 micron. They are round or oval with eccentrically placed nucleus with chromatin arranged in the pyramidal blocks against the nuclear membrane. So it gives a cartwheel type appearance. Their cytoplasm is intensely basophilic. It has a high content of ribonucleoprotein and has a well-defined perinuclear halo and clearing in the Golgi area. Some of the plasma cells stain red to violaceous rather than blue. They are called flame cells. The flaming plasma cell term coined by the Unruh. Plasma cells have distinctive pinkish orange hue in the outer rim of cytoplasm, and this is due to the accumulation of precipitated immunoglobulin. Plasma cells are terminally differentiated B lymphocyte. There are few morphological variations are found in the plasma cells. These include Russell bodies and Dutcher bodies. Russell bodies are the multiple round cytoplasmic hyaline inclusions. Plasma cells containing Russell bodies referred as a Mott cell. Dutcher bodies. It is an intracytoplasmic inclusion which invaginate into or overlay the plasma cell nucleus, and it is called the intranuclear pseudo-inclusion. This both type of inclusions seen in the atypical plasma cells. The antigen expression which are specific to plasma cells are CD138 and CD38. Plasma cells can be found in the peripheral blood as a result of the antigenic stimulation or some viral infection, but they are polyclonal. When monoclonal proliferation identified in the blood, then they are suggesting the plasma cell neoplasm. So what is polyclonal and what is monoclonal? Plasma cells secrete the intact immunoglobulin that is made up of two identical light chain and heavy chain. Heavy chains are mu, delta, gamma, alpha, and epsilon, respectively known as IgM, IgD, IgG, IgA, and immunoglobulin E. The light chains are kappa and lambda. Plasma cell is either secreting kappa or lambda, but not both. So when there is only one type of immunoglobulin, heavy chain or light chain secreting plasma cells are found, then it is called monoclonal. And when there are both type of immunoglobulin light chain secreting plasma cells and all five type of heavy chain secreting plasma cells are found, then it is called the polyclonal. There are several types of the plasma cell neoplasm that contain the monoclonal proliferation of plasma. Some of the examples of the plasma cell neoplasm are monoclonal gammopathy of undetermined significance, lymphoplasmacytic lymphoma, plasmacytoma, multiple myeloma, etc. So this is a brief description of plasma cell. Hope you like it. Thank you.